So I'm at BSC Expo 2019. I'm here with Tyler from Matthews. He's going to show you their brand new products for the show today.
Hey, how are you? Yeah, Tyler from Matthews. We've got a number of new products we're showing here at the Cerealite booth. And the first one I want to show you is the BabySitt'r. You've all tried to put a baby plate onto a pancake, and it usually requires tools and screws. We've eliminated the need for tools and screws using a spring-loaded system that allows you to insert any baby plate from any manufacturer in under a second. So think about how fast this speeds up the production when you want to lay 20 lights out on the floor. Literally minutes, if not hours, of time saving. So the BabySitt'r, very simple, click in, click out system using springs, and can still stack like your normal pancake. And there you have it.
What's the sort of availability pricing in the UK for this?
So availability is now. They are in stock. The price for two, because they're sold in packs of two, is around 150, 160 US, and available through Cerealite or Cerealite distribution.
Excellent. Thank you, Tyler. Appreciate it.
So yes, Tyler again. Here we are, BSC Expo. This is the new MyWay survival kit. We introduced the MyWay system 2 years ago, and it's slowly been taking off, but we've now kitted it up into a system that allows you to do over 10,000 different rigs in one small rifle case. So if you're not familiar with the MyWay system, it's taking industry standard grip, and we've put a patented male and female pin and receiver on it. So for example, I have a Cardellini-Mathellini clamp up here that has this receiver. Now I can add anything I want to it, whether it be a right angle baby pin, or if I want to take the baby pin off because I'm going to use a bigger light and I want to use a junior, I take this off, put this back in my case, I grab a junior. Now I have a junior system. Or let's say I want to offset my system a bit. I can use a right angle adapter like so. And now I've changed the angle of my Mathellini, and now I can put that right angle back in there, and now I'm going negative. And as you can imagine, this can just keep going and going and going. So there is a rigging solution in this case for pretty much any situation you might be in when it comes to grip and rigging. Again, it's called the MyWay Survival Kit, and it's available now.